Professor Frimpong Boateng any Nyaho Tamakloe openyi Nyaho Tamakloe any openyi baako a yɛfrɛ no ɛyɛ Amoako Nuamah a wɔyɛ former NDC ano ɔyɛ NDC ni ɛde asɛm bi akɔpie mu ɛwɔ Supreme Court na nokora ne nyame nim ni is quite interesting. They have sued the NPP, the NDC, and major political parties ewo krom ha. Obe bisa say asem na omode akwa dan court no eyedien. They are looking forward for the Supreme Court to declare or to interpret the constitution to declare say senior political parties yi omo select omo leaders no eye unconstitutional. Na political parties no saying en omo select omo leaders. Obi enim say presidential and parliamentary candidates no delegates in the select yomo. Now obi bisa say delegates hwamo. Political party bia followers. Political party bia members. Now so members ni mu no ye nkrofo bia yesusu say san nkrofo ne pe ne betumi select leaders a ombe lead party no. Enti se wobi ebe standing on the ticket of NDC as MP those special people and ebe selected enye NDC ni bia keke. Na sa nkrofo ne from delegates. Obi be standing on the ticket of NPP as MP those special people and be selected. Sa nkrofo no and from delegates. Obi be standing as president. So person standing as president on the ticket of NPP a delegate ya. Enti Professor Frimpong Boateng ene Nyaho Tamakloe ne Amoako Nuamah tremu a saa de we enye fair. This system no enye fair. Etia Ghana mbra. Die entia ena ye ni na ye NPP ni. Nanso ye pese ye select will be echo in the name of NPP a group of people pe ena echo select. Mumbie mu na ye ni na ye select here. I think say it's quite interesting. Na lawyer wo mode no akwa jina Supreme Court Oliver Baka. Debi. So I want us to read the court documents and then try to get further details. Mosha documents no 79 pages. Of course, I can't read all, but I'll try as much as possible to read the relevant parts na obia atiasie. Na mesro and your first time wa subscribe na click the notification bell on so. We are latest news biaba onsa ebekana miguswa kind say in April 2026 the biggest business fair baso China. Your friend the China Canton Fair. Na obibia wako dabiano enim. Sa China Canton Fair says sebe opesa okofa toothpick impo. Opesa okofa car eba Ghana babetonwa okowa obenya omo produce. Nti se opesa okofa bibi ukokwan so okofa bibi eba betonwa se woka sa trip we ho. Luckily enough, there is a Ghanaian company a womu process visa ama Ghana ni bia wo pesa okọ China ekodi se adwuma no odi se nya nyamampo na pesa okofa basambre no pesa okọ China mesre Aquafil Ultra Global omo de obekọ. They have the cheapest rate on the market. Na obetumi a WhatsApp omo e was 026 797 4874 sorry 4894 my member so bi mo fa nchame 026 797 4894 026 797-4894. Only WhatsApp. Into bit me from more WhatsApp and now be message you more WhatsApp. Na miguswa kai will say ende danyankopon wase because umanya wutimu a your friend Ghana no. It has been adjudged as one of the best economies in the country in the world. Intino and the wope baby I investi usika pa Ghana economy nimu. Now in every single investment no was say who baby I'll do sika be share information book na that screen is on your friend the Ghanaian investor na book we bet trail baby I'll bet to me di usika ashe baby I'll bet to me invest as Ghanani amadachi esi uye pe book ni bi na to so pe book na 100 cedis per obet to me nya PDF no WhatsApp and abenya ni tree video and as any ever video 055 807 4986 055 807 4986. Very, very simple. So what hard copy now benya wa Amazon. There is also a link in the comment box. the second link. Links me inside your comment box. My second link. O click here on Sabeka book no. Young consem nimo. I say introduction. The statement of case is presented for and on behalf of the plaintiffs in support of the writs brought under Articles 2 and 131 of the Constitution, which invokes the original jurisdiction of the Honorable Court to interpret and enforce the Constitution, and in particular, for the proper construction and application of Article 55(5) of the Constitution. Now, I say the plaintiffs challenge the constitutionality of the method adopted by the first, second, and third defendants for the election of their presidential candidates or flag bearer. Inti the first, second, and third defendants no senya mema wote ase no Professor Frimpong Boateng, Nyaho Tamakloe, and Nuamah, respectively. NPP form NDC ni baako. Almost say any NPP ni NDC ni major political parties no selected omo presidents any omo candidates for parliament no wrong. 3. The plaintiffs pray this court to find as just and to grant them the following reliefs. Say omo cat record ne say on declare so upon the true and proper interpretation of the preamble and articles 1.1 and 2, 1733(5), 35(6)(d), 42 and 55(5) of the 1992 Constitution, the election of a political party's presidential and parliamentary candidate constitutes a core element of party's internal organization within the meaning of Article 5(5) of the Constitution. Now, I say Okwa Ghana Mbremwa, Article 1.1, right? And I want us to check this so that we sort of understand what's going on. Article 1.1, okay? Yeah, and check it. Ghana's Constitution, Article 1.1. Let's sort of check and understand. Also, Ghana's Constitution now, articles be Article 1.1 and Article 2, Article 17, Article 33(5), Article 35(6) and so Article 42 and Article 55(5) of the 1992 Constitution. No, say political parties no, omo presidential and parliamentary candidates omo presidential and parliamentary candidates no, omo constitute a core element of the party's internal organization. Inti party bia ne MP and presidential flag bearer no eka party no the core element of the internal organization. Na say some microphone no ye core element of the internal organization na di entia ene ye select omo a ye ma wo bia select. Basically that's the omo can, but omo tre say Ghana Article 1.1 and we know. Now I want us to see Article 1.1. I want us to check Article 1.1 and see. Say Article 1.1 no, na eka. What you say? Now say Article 1.1 of the 1992 Constitution establishes a fundamental principle of popular sovereignty. As a content, it states that the sovereignty of Ghana resides in the people of Ghana, in whose name and for whose welfare the powers of government are to be exercised. Inti basically no, obeso try say Ghana for 2 million ekra Ghana for. And so you see the angular Oliver Baka, who is the lawyer or the assembly, which is quite interesting. 2 million ekra Ghana for ni nano, and it decided Emma or mine. Inti say president, any MPs, core members of a political party. The entire yen more 2 million in nano and decided. Basically, I think say that's the angle they want to use. I see a declaration that upon a true and proper interpretation of the preamble and articles 1.1 and 2, 17, 33(5), 35(6)(d), 42 and 55 of the 1992 Constitution, the internal organization of a political party must be structured in a manner that ensures equal political participation and equal voting rights of its members in the selection of the party's presidential and parliamentary candidates, just as I said. So we read this article where the entire year select MPs and the president, I see you for special people. Yamfa wo mo ye party for nini na into your party near yama okwana to aba. A declaration that on a true and proper interpretation of the preamble and articles 1, 17, 33.5, 35.6d, 42, 55.2, 55.5, 63 and 93 of the 1992 Constitution, democratic principles governing the internal organization of political parties require political equality, meaningful and broad participation of members in decision-making, accountability of leadership to the membership, and substantially equal and direct voting rights for members in good standing in the election of the party's presidential and parliamentary candidates. It will be a party near. I was say ye di ebu emo munina. Na ye nim ne ekoka se we ye delegates we na try say obi ye party ni na so obi ye party ni sin obi. Meanwhile, Ghana mran interest are. This is an interesting thing. I'm not going to lie, and I want to wait to see what the court is going to say about this. But this is a long one. But I hope say the reading of just 2 reliefs our musiki from Parliament no ama we hu and ama what's in sem na say Osha Oliver Bakamo, they went on plaintiff's legal arguments. Oliver Baka went on 79 different pages. Hey, Oliver Baka and so there it's written here 79 pages. So this should be an interesting one. The Supreme Court has received this, and they have given the Attorney General and then the Electoral Commission and all the political parties say momo 14 days. Say omombra court na omombra may defend you. Let's see how it goes. Montreal, your comment box nimo. Medase.